subscribe, give like to this video.
Satisfying the market.
Today's up.
KG, anything sticking out to you? I'm looking
a little bit,
through.
yes.
I don't see any guidance.
Let's see what's happening for
I do see some thoughts from the company around the low visibility,
3%,
particularly
6 months,
around China.
5%,
We know that story,
slow growth,
though,
10%, and 1 year, 18%. Not bad. What do you think about it? And put in chat. I see everybody in chat, live chat. Yes, hello, 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 everyone. What's happening? Let's see report. And then we go back.
In China and non-linear demand from leading edge customers given market concentration and fab timing. So they are giving, it sounds like there's going to be a soft guidance here moving forward here because of the macro uncertainty. And China is a big deal for them. I mean, it's a considerable portion of the sales, not only
revenue growth, 8%, gross margin,
in order to
almost
try
50.
to sell, but then there's just these relations back and forth when it comes to the high-tech equipment in order to create some of these GPUs and things needed for artificial intelligence. So they're kind of signaling the fact that not only are you looking at macroeconomic headwinds on a global scale,
don't forget to subscribe, give like, and we discuss how to make money, yes, and we have free classes.
Here. And once again, kind of that commentary around potentially non-linear demand
went down like crazy.
In general, outside of China is cause
do you keep applied materials?
Yeah, I'm seeing some of the figures now. Fourth quarter guidance, so current quarter guidance is probably going to be the sticking point. What really sticks out to me, Jeff,
Bitcoin
though, they give you the numbers. They guide for fourth quarter sales of 6.2 billion to 7.2 billion. Not only are those both well below the midpoint estimate, that's a really wide range. So I think some of this visibility issues and concerns around the uncertainty, particularly in China, certainly adding to what's a very, very wide range for a company to guide for a current quarter in particular. EPS also very, very wide and disappointing as well for fourth quarter guidance. $1.91 to $2.31, Jeff. The estimate for a midpoint that I'm seeing was $2.39. So slash, lower here in terms of expectations. And now that that's really hit the wires, I'm not surprised to see the stock continuing to sell off. No, I mean 7.2 billion on the high side when the street is expecting over 7.3 is certainly not going to cut it. I think that's what we're seeing. Again, commentary could help save the day on this a little bit, but I think when you're looking at a company where China accounted for about 37% of their sales in 2024, we look back at the last quarter, it was just about 25% of the total sales.
I see everyone, guys, 150 people. Yes, hello, hello, hello everyone. So what stocks do you buy? Which one do you invest? Put in chat.
The CEO's been somewhat optimistic about not seeing issues from tariffs, but they have been projecting big losses around 400 million in sales reductions because of these trade restrictions. And so this uncertainty around the outlook is not what customers or investors want to see. KG, final thought on AMAT applied materials.
Let's see financials.
Post that guidance.
Take a look. Palantir financials, very good.
The news wires, anything standing
Revenue, 1 billion.
No, once again, I mean, this story kind of tells itself, and we know that this.
That's why if you invest in Palantir, you can make a lot of money. Let's see. Revenue, 1 billion. Net income, 326. Diluted EPS, earnings per share, 0.15. Net profit margin, almost 33%. It's very good. It means a lot of potential. A year to year, everything is going up. What does it mean? It means company is very profitable. That's why, if you'd like, it's much more better than Bitcoin or crazy cryptos. Let's see. Palantir astronomical growth. Let's discuss it. And put in chat. I see everyone. Yes, hello, hello. Rihan Ali, yes. Yes, hi, hi. I see everyone. Yes, subscribe, give like. 2 videos, we go live stream every single day. Palantir astronomical growth in 3 charts. Let's see. Alex Karp, do you know him? CEO of company. He's single. Don't forget, we have groups for singles, yes, in marriage agency. Who is single, please join it. You can find your love as well. That's why subscribe, give like, okay, and see previous videos where I posted how you can join it. You can join it for free and find real love.
in 2008, you also had
not escort or something like this.
the automotive companies as well.
Okay, let's go back. Let's discuss government. You see how much government pay them and commercial. So it's a huge defense contractor. That's why a lot of potential.
The sovereign wealth fund that we know that the Trump administration wants to launch.
Take a look how much money. That's why Palantir has a lot of potential.
At this point, but maybe this is the start of something.
Let's go back. Let's see Nvidia.
It's going to be positive for this company because obviously it's the government.
Nvidia stock is going down a little bit today, yes.
It's positive for the story.
No, by the end of the day is up. But Nvidia is still profitable. Take a look, 6 months, 31%. Year to date.
We'll see how this all plays out. But if you are a shareholder,
1 year, 54%. Much better than Bitcoin. Put in chat, guys. Put in chat. What stocks do you buy?
Well, guys, we're out of time.
Or maybe you buy options. Live chat is. Yes, hello, everyone. I see Rihanna. Nvidia could be very good. And see in description, I put information about brokerages. Fidelity and Schwab are the best in US. First of all, you never lose money, and they have very good support. You can ask any questions. Okay, that's why. Subscribe, give like, and we discuss everything step by step. Okay, and you can use paper trading. If you don't have money, you can learn on paper. Yes, when we discuss it later. Let's go back to Nvidia. Take a look. Nvidia is very good, very profitable, and you can make a lot of money. 54%. That's why do you need crypto or Bitcoin when stable company brings you more money? And Apple will go up as well. Put in comments. Do you need why Apple is good? Because right now they have no restrictions on selling products. Yes, and cheap from restriction was removed. Cheap restriction was removed. Yes, see what's happened with Apple. 1 month, 11%, 6 months. It was negative. Year to date, it is a bit negative, but potential growth. That's why if you invest, do you remember how we invest? By selling options. When you sell options, and I show you many times how you sell options. You go trade, then you can do on paper. If you don't have money, you can trade on paper, learn yourself. Then you choose expiration date. For example, for Nvidia, for example, if you want to buy Nvidia at 170, for example, right click, sell, single, and then choose put. And you get $300 to sell options against Nvidia. It's very good, it's very profitable. That's why you can do it. And if you get premium, and if it's reach this level 170, you get premium plus you buy stock. If doesn't reach, you keep premium. 300, not bad. That's why use this opportunity. So you just sell options against stocks. Use it. It's better because all big hedge funds use this method. And then when you get stocks, you sell calls. To sell calls, you get 1,500, 1,500. Here is per contract, and then multiply by 100 because each contract has 100 stocks. We have everything, free classes. You can subscribe, give like, and I send you all this information. It's very useful, good information. That's why I do it. Okay, and again, you can trade on paper. Do paper trading. Next, let's go back to our stocks. Let's see Microsoft. How much Microsoft made? Microsoft. 6 months, 27%. 1 year, 24, 25. Stable, 25%. That's why the question, why do you need crypto, Bitcoin, or any crazy when good company makes so much money and a lot of potential? Then Meta, let's discuss Meta. And Meta has a lot of projects, artificial intelligence as well, yes? Meta. Year to date, 30%. 1 year, almost 50%. And Meta has a lot of potential as well. For 5 years, almost 200%. What does it mean? It means 20% a year, stable profit. Take a look. Maximum, we know how much. Yes, you could buy in 2012, and right now you will be millionaire minimum. So put in comments, would you like to learn how to trade, how to make money, but invest only in stable companies. No crypto, no crazy, no small companies, no penny stocks, just good company investments, not trading. See revenue. Revenue 47 billions, revenue net income 18, diluted EPS earnings per share 7. Good net profit 40%. Is it good? Yes. And plus Meta pays dividends. Plus you get dividends. Next stock we consider. Put in chat. I see everyone. Yes, hello, hello. I see everyone in chat, live chat. Put in comments what stocks do you buy? How much money did you make? What strategy do you use? Let's see Google. Google stock 7%, because Google has some lawsuits, but still 27% almost for 1 year. Last month 11%. 5 days 2%. Better than Bitcoin. Maximum 7,000%. That's why if you buy it here, do you remember? In 2005, you become billionaire. That's why I don't know why people are addicted to Bitcoin when you can buy good company and make a lot of money. And other people sell this information, how to trade, how to do everything, how to invest, not how to trade. Daily traders will use money. It's better to invest. We provide this information for free. I and my coworkers, colleagues teach for free. That's why subscribe, give like to this video, and we go live many times a day and discuss. You can get all information for free. See links below, subscribe, give like, and don't forget, put in chat what stocks do you have, how much money did you make, what strategies do you use, and what brokerage do you use. Here I told you it's Schwab. You can see link below. When you open, you get additional $100. I think it's good. And let's come back. You can listen.
They've got an $80 price
Annual
target,
report.
which essentially is on the high
Earnings
end of the
report.
street. Right now, the mid target is around 70,
To
low
buy.
60. It's just because they have more visibility on their top line sales contracts going forward. The Trump bill that was passed basically allocates tremendous amounts of funds for this business for their unmanned technologies primarily. And I think if you look at the EBITDA estimates for the next 4 quarters right now, one would say maybe it's still conservative around 19%, 14% sales growth. These numbers are more than double the trailing historical averages, but also the 5-year averages. But I think the other thing you got to keep in mind is that this stock is, I'm going to call it more of the mid-cap space. It's not a very large company. It's not a small one. But you have to be mindful, too, that right now it is trading at lofty valuations based upon current 2025 and 2026 earnings. Going into next year, right now, the estimates are 75 cents. So that might increase over time, but that places the stock at around 92 times next year's earnings. So it's had a tremendous run, but we could certainly see some consolidated pullbacks in the entire space, and maybe some rotation into the more traditional heavy-duty players in the defense space like Northrop or Grumman or